KC Apollo Pro 6 round black Polymax housing with integrated stone guard, made in USA. 100 watt H3 halogen bulb, replaceable, 200,000 Candlepower. Driving, spread, beam pattern for additional width and distance to maximize visibility. System includes complete relay wiring harness, switch kit, and integrated stone guards. Designed and assembled in the USA.Housing material, Polymer. KC HiLiTES 151 Apollo Pro 6100W driving light system includes two fully assembled lights with integrated stone guards and complete wiring harness with relay and illuminated switch. Top reviews from the United States. Great product and customer support. Easy to install, although I would have liked a little longer wiring to allow alternative wiring routes. Work very well. I got the fog beam and installed on my Jeep Wrangler TJ in place of my factory fog lights. These are much brighter. Great for driving, and they also add a much wider pattern for off-roading. I also call them my deer lights, because the wide pattern picks up deer off the side of the road really well before they run out in front of me when driving on the roads here in North Idaho. I did have a bulb blowout after 4 months which concerned me, but I did not take off any stars because I emailed KC and they sent me 2 replacement bulbs ASAP with no questions asked. That is the kind of customer support that is getting harder to find. I will definitely buy more KC lights in the future, and I highly recommend these.